Eufy Smart Scale P2 Pro versus Smart Scale C1. Which one is better for you? Let's look in the video. And if you find this video helpful, so please consider subscribing our channel for more this type of content. And also watch the video till the end. First talk about weight measurement. 2 Pro provided 0.2396 lbs 0.1180 kg weight measurement. And C1 provided 0.2400 lbs 0.1180 kg weight measurement. So C1 is better. Now let's look at the body fat percentage. Yes, this feature is available on all two devices, so both are equal. Now let's look at the bone mass measurement. Yes, this feature is available on P2 Pro, and no, this feature is not available on C1. So P2 Pro is better. Now let's look at the muscle mass measurement. Yes, this feature is available on P2 Pro, and no, this feature is not available on C1. So P2 Pro is better. Now let's look at the water percentage. Yes, this feature is available on P2 Pro, and no, this feature is not available on C1. So P2 Pro is better. Now let's look at the Bluetooth connectivity. Yes, with up to 16 users, Bluetooth connectivity is provided by P2 Pro. And yes, with up to 16 users is also provided by C1. So P2 Pro is better. Now let's look at the display type. The display type of P2 Pro is LED display, and it is also the display of C1. So P2 Pro is better for more at. Now let's look at the battery life. P2 Pro provided 12 month 4 into triple A battery life, and it is also provided by C1. So both are equal. Now let's look at the app compatibility. Eufy Life app is compatible with all two devices, so both are equal. Now let's look at the price. The price of P2 Pro is higher, and the price of C1 is lower, so C1 is better. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.